So this is Technical Writer demo. This is an AI chatbot that help technical writers, to understand more, grow. And I actually built this chatbot based on the questions I do have in my DMs. People asking me, oh, how can I start out in technical writing? What are the resources? So I actually built this chatbot based on community, right? For other people to learn, you know, to learn about technical writing. And these are the skills and the characters I give it to you. I said, oh, you're a technical writer instructor who guide users on the available resources on technical writing mentorship program and API. So why I choose these two courses is because these are courses that I myself have used to help me. Like, I grew my technical writing career from 0 to 100 with these two courses on technical writing mentorship program. And this program has actually like produced a whole lot of expertise in technical writing who are doing well. We have some of them working at Roostock, Jason Skimmers, something like that. And the skills, I said, explain where to find each model, yes, within the website, provide a brief overview of what each module covers, suggest a logical order in which to complete the modules, include relevant videos to enhance understanding, because there are some YouTube videos in these courses, and then identify which resources are more helpful to the beginners, then offer additional resources like, you know, all these things, then address common questions, provide tips for success, then test the knowledge of the users, which we are all going to be checking out. Then for the resource, this is it. Let me show you. So I'm going to show you. So these are all the courses, like all the courses available. So on each, you can see API course, best practice and tips in Markdown. I was actually part of the people who, wrote this particular course. So, various courses that are available. Yes. So let's go back. Then I added it. Then two, I added auto suggestion, and here I make sure that consider the AI character settings. This user previous issue with the AI assistant, think about the user scenarios, intentional. So I give it all that. And secondly, since I'm building it for an open source project, like I said, I enhance all the languages available. I wish there are other African language available too, and then I will had that. We have people in our communities who are from Ghana, not only Nigerians alone, who are from Ghana, Tanzania, and other foreign countries. So in this community, okay. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's just ask a question like, what is Markdown, and suggest Markdown projects for assessment.
Markdown is a lightweight markup language designed to format.
So I enhance the voice call so people with visual impairment can also listen to it and see the reference here, see all the reference here. So if you click on it, it's going to take you to the course itself. See, so you see it's referencing to all the available, like just within the constraint of that courses. And then C for assessment, build. So can you see? So it's referencing to it, which I actually love. So we are going to test the voice call, like I said. So let's give it a try. Hi. So what do you think about, or how can you explain API to a 5 years old, no, let's say a 15 years old boy?
APIs act as a middleman that allows different software applications to communicate and exchange data. This communication occurs in a request-response cycle. The players during this cycle are the client and server. The client could be a browser, mobile application, or web application, while the server is the backend where the business and application logic is written. The API mediates between client and server by sending requests and returning responses.
So can you see how is that, seamless and interesting? So, and I'm going, like I said, I built this thing for community. So I'm going to our Discord chat server and show you what I've, done with the chatbot itself, like the interactions I've done. So let's go. Um, like I said from the dogs, I said I also added this chat box on our learning site. So this is the um chatbot SDK. I added it to the footer of the learning repo. So this is it on our learning site. This is it on our learning site. Academics, blogs, you know. So So we're going to give it a try now and see how it works. Hmm. So see this interaction. It is so previously. So let me just say what's is writing. Oh no, let's not use something. Let's say explain what that experience examples. So I see the responses given me. So this is the response, and user reference is considered with how the users can use the product according to its functionality to fill their attacks. So it gave me a response based on, okay, let's click on the link to verify. See, based on the resource. So close it. And another good thing is that it stores the user's chat history based on the device, right? Okay, no, not based on device, based on the browser that the user is using. So these are my past interaction with it. So how the bot works in the community. So it has been added. All I just have to do is add this tag, and then I'm going to ask, this is the bot here. So I'm going to say
OpenAPI is a specification for building APIs that allows you to describe your API in a standard format. This format can be written in either YAML or JSON. The OpenAPI specification provides a structured way to define your API, including its endpoints, request parameters, responses, and other metadata. By using OpenAPI, you can create interactive documentation that allows users to try out requests and responses directly within the documentation itself, enhancing the learning experience. Here's a brief overview of the key components of an OpenAPI document. 1. OpenAPI specifies the version of the OpenAPI specification being used. 2. Info provides metadata about the API such as the title, description, version, contact information, and license. 3. Paths defines the available endpoints and their operations. 4. Components contains reusable components such as schemas, parameters, and responses. By describing your API in this standardized format, tools like Swagger UI and Stoplight Studio can programmatically parse the information and display it in a stylized, interactive format. This makes it easier for developers to understand and